Yes. Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our science class. Now we are in lesson 4, isn't it? Did you remember the lesson name? Kirtan, Harshini Priya. Did you remember the lesson names? Yes, now we are in what do animals eat? What do animals eat, children? Animals eat rice, pizza, burger, only fruits, only vegetables, only animals, only grains. Then what do animals eat? That's a question. Children, now we are in the lesson 4. What do animals eat? It is a lesson name. In previous class, we have discussed about types of animals based on their eating habits. Did you remember? And I gave some keywords for you. And once again, I am reminding you, you have to write your pair notes and classwork. What is classwork? What is pair notes? The classwork is what we have discussed whenever I give any important points like keywords, any drawing, etc., any homework you have to write in the classwork book. Hope everybody clear. In previous 5th class, you have classwork and pair notes. Do you have classwork book and pair notes in previous grade? Grade 5. Krish? Hello, Krish. In grade 5, do you have classwork pair notes? Yes. So same like that only you maintain in 6th class also. Then have you all completed lesson 2, lesson 3 fair notes? Did you get the timetable of lesson 3 Pallavi? Sai Pallavi. Don't play with children. Sai Pallavi, can you hear me? Okay. See now, second lesson, third lesson. Did you complete your fair notes? If not, please try to collect some question answers and write whatever I have explained in the session, in the class. You know your FA exams are coming. Did you get the timetable? Nityasri. Did you get the timetable? Sai Pallavi. Did you get the timetable of FA? Yes. So what you have to do for FA exam? They will send the syllabus lesson 2, lesson 3. You have to read lesson 2, lesson 3 properly and you have to write a question answers. And one more thing, children, in sixth class, it will not be like a 5th class. In 5th class, your teachers will give question answers and from that only the teacher will prepare the question answers, question paper. But in 6th class, the paper will come from government. So what you have to do, you should know total understanding of the lesson. Everybody understood? You have to know the total understanding of the lesson. Clear? Suppose magnets, you have to know about all the points which are covered in the lesson, that you have to know compulsory. From the lesson only they will make questions. And third, what is third lesson? Can anybody remember third lesson? Rain, where does it come from? Yes. Second lesson is magnet. Third lesson is rain, where does it come from? And fourth one is what do animals eat? So you have to read thorough lesson 2 to 3 times. Children, okay? So now we are going to learn about what do animals eat lesson. In that, today also I will give you some more keywords. All of you try to note down the keyword. Ready? After that, I will share the screen and we will learn. Start writing, all of you. Everybody, please. Continue. Yesterday I explained about sucking, picking, chewing, etc. Today, right, first one is habitat. 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 Second one, carnivore. Asrita. No movement. Asrita, are you writing? Show me your pen. Okay, okay. Carnivore. Carnivore. Next one, herbivore. Herbivore. Aklesh, what are you doing now? Omnivore. Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz, show me your notebook. Next. Omnivore. Omnivore. Next. Nocturnal. NOCTU. NOCTURNAL. Nocturnal. Then the last one is rumination. 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 Navya. Many children are there around you. Navya. One gang is there. All are listening. Okay. So children, these are the keywords where you have to write these keywords in the class work. How many times you have to write yesterday's keywords and today's keywords? You have to write lesson name, keywords heading, each one write 3 times. Clear? Clear, Harshini Verma. Harshini Verma, don't play. Sanjana, understood? One word you have to write 3 times, Sanjana. First you have to write lesson heading, then keyword, then after first one food habit. Write food habit, food habit, food habit 3 times. Then draw a line, then second one. Understood? Like that you have to complete your homework. Did you understand today's homework? You have to write the discussed keywords 3 times in the class workbook. Very good, Rishita. Thank you. Clap yourself. Okay. Now, shall I start lesson? Sanjana, Shanmukasri, shall I begin the lesson? I will show you the screen. Okay, all of you, listen now. Yeah. In previous class, we talked about this time, all animals. See, children, the eating, collection of food is one thing. Yes or no? And capturing is another thing. That means the way of eating. Suppose, children, you imagine. Now look at the picture. Excuse me. Excuse me, Nana, for 1 minute. Yeah. Look at this picture. Suppose, do we eat food like this? Now the showing picture, the showing animals or animals are taking food. What is the lesson name? What do animals eat? How they eat, what they eat. All animals will eat same kind of food, Nana? No, no. All kind of animals will not eat same kind of food. Suppose you take example of cow. Cow is a big animal. Then see the butterfly. Then connect to these two animals. Suppose for this butterfly, some one drop of liquid is enough to fill its stomach. Do you agree with me? బటర్ఫ్లైకి ఎంత ఫుడ్ కావాలి ఒక డ్రాప్ సరిపోతుంది కదా then same time if we give a drop of food to the cow is it sufficient nana no so when we compare these two animals what you understand the quantity of animal the quantity of food taking an animal it is depending on its body structure am I clear how will you serve water if anybody comes to your home you will give in glass or water bottle yes or no when somebody comes to your home how you will serve nana you will give in glass suppose a buffalo how will you feed the buffalo same glass of water is enough for the buffalo same 2 3 chapatis are enough for the buffalo is it sufficient yeah chapatis the buffalo will eat chapatis rice it will eat but how much you are eating same if you connect to the animal is it sufficient no same way if you feed the same food for butterfly or a bird will it accept that much food no it will not accept why because the butterfly's stomach I mean capacity is very less and the body parts also is important children try to understand please the butterfly cannot eat food whatever we serve suppose rice is there rice requires lot of physical activity that means it should chew the food but do the butterfly have all these upper and lower jaws and teeth etc no then how the butterfly will chew the food that's why the butterfly will lick the juice from the flower it is called licking or we call sucking sorry sucking it will suck the juice from the center of the flower. Hope everybody understood what I am trying to say. Yes, same like that only. See the frog and the bird. What they are doing for the frog, small insects are enough. Yes, the frog will not eat grass or rice or anything else. Yes, see the bird. Bird will eat grains, of course, and also it will suck the juice from the flower. And look at this lion. This lion wants a big amount of food. Why? Because the lion have a big body and have its sharp teeth, Nana. See, to tear the food. Did you notice any time cutting goat? Goat cutting చూసారా goat cut చేసినప్పుడు when they cut the goat they use big sharp knives. Children, imagine, can you tear the food like this? Any animal can you tear with your teeth? మీ టీత్ తో మీరు గోట్ ని బఫెలోని చంపగలరా దట్ ఈస్ మై క్వశ్చన్ కెన్ యూ కిల్ అండ్ ఈట్ is it possible yes or no no why because we will not have that much sharp pointed teeth yes or no children so after discussing all this what you understand yeah see this lion caught this deer at the same time it should kill and eat. It have that much capacity to eat. Yes or no? Suppose if this dead animal, a butterfly or a bird or a frog or any other small insect, do they have that much capacity of eating this animal? No. Okay. So the lion have a sharp pointed claws to bite and tear the food. Understood all of you this picture, about this picture and how they collecting of food? What we have learned today? How animals will collect the food and how they will capture, we learn. Is it same or quite different? Is it same or quite different, children? Children, tell me, is it same? The collection and capturing food is same? No, no, it is different. After Harshini Priya, is it different or same? Say yes or no. Show me a response. Harshini Priya. The collecting and capturing of the food is same or different? There is cool pad 3006 something number is there. There is no name. The girl wore sweater. So what I should call you, sweater girl. So today onwards your name is sweater girl. Hi sweater girl. Uh, can you tell me that the collecting of food is same in all animals or different? Say yes or no. Same or different? It is different. Yes or no, no, no. We have compared no before one picture. It is different. Cow will eat big amount of food. So much grass it will eat. At the same time, butterfly and any other bird will eat that much food. No. For butterfly, for mosquito, how much food want? Some food only. Yes. If we offer grass or rice, does the mosquito will accept it? Children, I think you have still confusion. Are you understanding what my point is? Varshita, Varshita nicely slept on the cot. హాయిగా మంచం పైన పడుకొని ఉంది. టీ వర్షిత 6th class. The collecting of food is different. That you have to accept. When you give rice, my question is Lakshmi Priya. Lakshmi Priya, stop eating. Listen here. When you offer rice, mosquito will accept that rice. Still he is eating and he is responding to me. So what mosquito will eat? Harshini? Harshini, where are you? Where is your book? Where is your phone? Children, what mosquito will eat? Mosquito will eat food. Is mosquito a living thing? Say yes or no. Mosquito is a living thing or non-living thing? It is non-living thing. Mosquito is non-living thing, yes? No. So if it is living thing, what food it will eat? Harshini Varma. If it is living thing, what food it will eat? It will drink milk, coconut water, juice, sambar idli. Then what mosquito will eat? It will suck the blood. Yes, no. రక్తం తాగుతుంది కదా. ఎవరి నుంచి రక్తం తాగుతుంది? Any living organism. Yes or no? From human beings, from buffaloes, from cow, any other living organism, it will suck the blood. So after discussing all this, at least you got my point, what I am trying to tell you. The collecting and capturing food is different from animal to animal. Say yes or no. Yes, very good. Nityasri, very good girl. I hope that you are attentive at the class. I will ask you some questions. Right? Okay. So everybody understood the collecting and capturing of the food is different from animal to animal. Right? Thank you very much. Now, See, Nana, all of you copy this table. This is a homework for you. So you understood that the collecting and capturing of the food is different from animal to animal. You only said that. So all of you write this format now. Serial number, animal and body part used in taking food. Body part used in taking food. All of you write this. Make it fast. Are you all writing, children? Make it fast. 3 minutes time I will give you to complete this. Copy this soon. Serial number, animal name. First write serial number up to 10 serial number. Then write the names of the animals given here. Children, write the name of the animal: hen, cow, dog, frog, snake, man, lizard, vulture, lion, hummingbird. Ready, children? Write fast. Write 10 serial number. Write 10 animals names. This you have to write at home. After this class, you write in the evening time or whenever you do homework that time. Okay? Wait, Nana, I think you can't see the screen. Once again, I'll share it. Don't worry. Yeah. Now write. Now write, children. Completed. Now write serial number, animal, then body parts. See, this format you have to write. Body part used in taking food. Body part used in taking. So they are for a bird. How bird will take food? The bird use its beak or its claws, etc. So like that you have to complete the total table. Okay, children. You have to complete the total table. Still any doubt? Any doubt? You have to write the new words. I mean keywords, whatever I discussed today and yesterday. That you have to complete and this you have to complete. Why I gave this table means you should understand. You should know it. How the particular animals will collect the food. Okay, children. Clear? Okay. Now we will discuss about crow. Children, you know crow. You know picture of collecting collection of food. So different birds will collect in different way. The birds will search here and there for food. They will migrate from one place to another place. So there is an important point that I have to discuss with you about a crow. Now let us see. Look at this picture, Nana. What is this picture? The different birds' faces, images are there here. Okay. See, if we compare, children, why I am sharing this picture means, have a look at all the beaks of the birds. Please. Then see, each beak is different. So all of you observe this for 30 seconds. 30 seconds you observe. Ready, your time start now. When you compare the beaks of this bird, it is different to one another. Yes or no? Some have sharp curved beak, some have pointed beak, some have straight beak. Yes or no, children? See, the duck to sparrow, sparrow to eagle, eagle to hen, hen to crow, like this you see, hummingbird, etc., woodpecker. See, it is different. Yes or no, children? Why? To collect the food, the beaks are made like that depending on the body of the animal. Yes? Now, how birds will pick the food? Suppose we take example. Example of hen. Hen is the common animal where we can see every day. How hen will take the food? We see hens and crows in our surroundings searching for food. Isn't it? They don't say no. Yes or no, no, no. So how they will collect the food? How they will collect the food, Nana? Suppose hen. Hen will scratch the ground. Scratching అంటే ఏంటి కాళ్ళతో ఫస్ట్ తోడుకుంటుంది. Sometimes, Nana, listen carefully. They will ask, write the write your experience how hen will collect the food. Okay, like that they will ask. So how a hen will collect the food? First, hen will scratch the ground and it will search for small worms and grain. Then it will eat. Yes or no? Then how crow will collect? You know the important points about the crow. Crow is called the natural scavenger. You know, children. So let us learn about that point. See now. See, crows that live in our surroundings usually eat waste and rotten food materials, dead animals, etc. We keep our surroundings clean in this manner. So they are called natural scavengers. Vultures are also called so due to the same type of food they eat. Children, why I discussing this point? Can anybody guess? This question, this from this compulsory one to choose the correct answers or one word questions they will ask. In previous grade, there are some children are unable to write the answer for this question. Okay, children. Which type of animals are called natural scavengers? That is one question. And why do we call they are natural scavengers? Second question. Can you tell crow and vultures are called natural scavengers? Why? Because they eat waste. See, waste and rotten అంటే కుళ్ళిపోయిన waste పదార్థాలని తింటుంది. That's why it is called natural scavenger. Hope everybody understood this. Everybody understood this. How crow will collect the food, please. Now, already I explained how does a frog get its food, Nana? A frog shows out a sticky tongue. In the previous picture I shown you, frog have a sticky tongue where it can catch and collect the food. Once again I will show you. See this. The frog have a sticky tongue. See. Okay. A frog throws out a sticky tongue towards an insect. So the insect gets stuck to the tongue, then it will swallow it. Children, did you see? The frog have a sticky tongue. When the insect it will catch, it will swallow the food. Mingestundi ఇంకా. So in this manner, the frog will collect the food. Then how does the cow get its food? Okay, now I will explain. See children, first animals like cow, buffalo, camel, this type of animal first chew their food, Nana, very quickly. They go on continuously, they will eat food. I think you have noticed this. మనం కౌ ముందు బఫెలో ముందు గ్రాస్ ఉంటే అది కంటిన్యూ తింటూనే Observe chesara nana? Yes. And afterwards, what it will do? You know, this is very interesting and important. Compulsory, you will get one question about this. Okay? First, it will eat quickly and it will swallow. Mingestundi. Gabagaba, gabagaba, mukkal cheskoni mingestundi. After some time, they will bring this back into their mouth, Nana. ఆ ముక్కలుగా చేసుకున్న ఫుడ్ అంతని మళ్ళీ నోట్లోకి తెచ్చుకుంటుంది. It will bring it back into their mouth and it will chew properly. మళ్ళీ నమిలి నీట్ గా తిన్న తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మింగేస్తుంది. Okay, so like this the cow and buffalo, camel, etc. will take food in this manner. First they will break the food into big pieces and they will swallow, మింగేస్తాయి మొత్తం. Then when they sit and take rest, they bring this total food in from their stomach to mouth. They chew it again properly. They will make into simpler pieces, smaller pieces. Then they will eat it. So this process is called rumination. This process is called rumination. It is very important question. And also called cud chewing. CUD cud, CHEWING. This type of animals are called cud chewing animals. Suppose in one word question they will ask, give two examples of rumination, give two examples of cud chewing animals. Write the process of rumination. Like that they will ask. So hope everybody understood. Now I will explain about. So understood, Nana, how a cow gets its food? See, rumination. Okay, so all of you write this answer in the pair note. Clear? Now how dog will get its food? How dog will get its food, Nana? The dog will first sniff the food. Sniffing అంటే ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ వాసన చూస్తారు తెలుసా మీకు? Dog will observe the surroundings and it will sniff the food. Then what it will do? How does it will eat? The dogs will eat food by using their sharp teeth, Nana, and tongue. Okay? Wild animals like lion, fox also will do the same thing. They have sharp pointed teeth. I will show you. See, look at this tiger. Look at this picture, Nana. How it have sharp front teeth? Yes or no? So at once it will kill the animals and it will eat. So for dog also like the sharp front teeth will be, so the dog will tear the food, meat and it will eat. Okay? Now, okay, we learn about all the land animals. Then what about aquatic animals? Children, one more thing. There are some animals which use tongues and eat. Which type of animals will use tongue? Frog. Frog will use tongue. Lizard. Lizard also will use tongue. Cow also will use tongue. Dog will lick with the tongue. So like this, they will ask the question. Animals which use with the tongues. Okay? Clear, everybody? Now let us learn about some aquatic animals. What are aquatic animals? The animals which live in water. Yes or no, Nana? Understood? Animals which live in water are called aquatic animals. Yes? Then do they require food? They need to eat food? Yes, they will also eat food. But where they will collect the food? They will collect their food in the water. What food items they will collect? In the water also contains so many living organisms. Yes or no? So if we observe an interesting about the duck, see, excuse me, Nana. The duck catches its food. The ducks also have teeth, but they are not like the teeth, like a cow or a lion. They are not useful in the grinding the food, children. Just the filters to get the food. The dog will wade in the water. So when it is doing, sorry, excuse me. Ah, so it will be filter the water and it will catches the small fishes and it will eat. Okay. Then how leeches? You know leeches? The leeches will live in the ponds, Nana. Okay, those animals will suck the food of blood, Nana. Blood from the body. Okay. We can see different kinds of animals and snails, leeches, etc. They suck the blood. Okay, Nana. So do you understand? So today we have this once again. I wanted to recap what we have learned in today's class. So now I want a response from you all. Children, any doubts in today's class? Please ask me. Today, what we have learned, Nana? We learn about the animal collecting and capturing the food is different from animal to animal. Yes or no? Then amount of food collection is depending on its body also we learn. So hope everybody understood what is the meaning of picking, sucking, licking, okay? And how body parts are important. The body parts are also involved in collecting food. Pranit Reddy understood Sai Darshit. So, Nana, am I clear to you? Are you getting my points? What I am explaining? See children, suppose there is no hands for us. Imagine. ఇప్పుడు మనకి చేతులు లేవు అనుకోండి. How we will eat food, Nana? Once you imagine. Okay, Varshit, hands down. Navya, are you thinking? Imagine that. మనకి ఇప్పుడు చేతులు లేవు అనుకోండి. How we will eat food? Can we mix food? No. We will also eat like dogs. అంతే కదా మనం కూడా డాగ్స్ లాగా తినాలి కదా yes or no children if we not have hands we can't hold spoons fork etc మనం కూడా డాగ్స్ లాగా యానిమల్స్ లాగా మౌత్ ప్లేట్ లోకి పెట్టి తినాల్సిందే కదా so our hands are important for us in collecting mixing food cooking food our hands are involving in the collecting food. Suppose there is an apple in the fridge. How we will take fridge? Akshit Kumar. Any doubt? Okay, I will unmute you. Wait, and Akshit Kumar. Akshit Kumar, unmute yourself and talk.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
explain one more time how we should write fair note.
Very good. Good question. Nana, in fifth class, in fifth grade, do you have fair notes?
No, ma'am.
You don't have any fair notes.
HLW homework book and class book, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Don't worry, Nana. No problem. Now you take one notebook. What you have to do, first page, listen, Nana. Listen, listen. Listen, first listen. Then you know how to draw the margin. Then at the top you have to write lesson number and lesson name. Suppose now our running lesson is what do animals eat? You have to write lesson 4. What do animals eat? That is the heading. Then now next you have to come and first bit answer the following questions. Like this you have to start. Then first question. What are herbivores? That is the question. What are herbivorous animals? Eat plant is called as herbivorous animal. Example, cow, goat, sheep, etc. Like that. Very good. Now you draw the end line. End line ante answer అయిపోయినాక కింద ఒక line draw చేయాలి. Then second question. Like that you create the question. Like that you create the questions and write the answers. Okay, Nana? Then can you tell what is rumination? Explain, Nana. What is rumination? What you understand about rumination?
Ma'am, rumination is the how animals eat the food.
Very
Stomach.
good. You are trying to tell the answer. First, animals will eat food, Nana. First, they will swallow the food.
Food.
ఫస్ట్ ఫుడ్ అంతా మింగేస్తాయి పెద్ద పెద్ద
After
పిక్కలు
they will take out of
when
mouth.
they rest they bring the food back from their stomach to mouth
And
కడుపులో నుంచి
it will
మళ్ళీ మౌత్ లోకి తీసుకొచ్చుకొని they will chew it properly
chew
then
it
they swallow.
properly and it will take out from
Okay, okay, very good, very good,
mouth.
very good, Nana. So you understand the lesson up to today's. Okay, very good, Nana. So like this you can ask any doubts if you have. Not only this boy, you can ask children if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Priyanka, any doubts? So start writing pair notes. I explained how to write pair notes. Yes, like that you have to write. Clear, children? Yeah, your FA syllabus is lesson 2, lesson 3, Nana. All of you read the 2 lessons properly. Okay? The questions will come based on the understanding of the lesson only from the textbook only. Nishant, do you have textbook with you? Show me your textbook one. In whichever the school you are studying, the books are same government books only, Nana. Okay, if you did not purchase books, at least you get old books from your friends or your siblings. Okay, thank you. So time up, Nana. So if you have any doubt, you can write, note down your doubts and ask me in the next class. Okay. Nishant, unmute, Nana. So time up, can I leave?
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. How are you all? Can you all hear my voice? Can you all hear my voice? Okay. Welcome to Sanvi Learning Services. So today we are going to discuss about playing with numbers. The third chapter, name of the chapter is playing with numbers. Okay. So the aim of the topic is solving problems from exercise 3.1 to 3.7 problems. Okay. And the agenda is divisibility rules of 2, 3, 6, 9, 5 and 10. So already this topic we have discussed in previous class. Okay, and also exercise 3.1 we have solved the problems on this divisibility rules, right? So today we are going to discuss about finding factors. Okay, finding factors. First of all, what is the factor? So how to find the factors? Today we are going to discuss. So today it is very important topic, children. So all of you listen carefully. So these topics and these concept you very useful in your higher classes. So all of you listen carefully. Finding factors and prime and composite numbers, prime factorization, finding HCF, finding LCM, relation between HCF and LCM, divisibility rules for 4, 8 and 11. So this is our agenda. So here in this, so first of all, we are going to discuss about finding factors. Okay, finding factors. Today we are going to discuss about finding factors and prime and composite numbers and prime factorization. Okay. So first of all, factor. What is factor? What is factor? So factor is nothing but a number which divides the given number exactly. That is called factor of the given number. Okay. So let us see one example here. So here see factors. Factor is nothing but a number which divides the given number exactly is called factor of the given number. Okay. So here all of you okay, see children. See children, here the definition of the factor is given. What is the definition of the factor? A number, page number 32. Okay, page number 32. A number which divides the other number exactly is called factor of that number. A number which divides the other number exactly is called the factor of the number. Okay. So let us see one example here. So all of you observe the board carefully. Today, now we are going to discuss about factor. What is factor and how to find it? Okay. All of you observe the board carefully. Factors. Okay. So a number which divides the other number exactly is called factor of the given number. Okay. So for example, see a number, consider a number, suppose take a number 12 is there. Okay. Take a number 12 is there. Okay. So divide 12 by 1. So when we divide 12 by 1, how many times it will possible? 1 12 is 12. See, so 1 is divided the number 12 exactly. Exactly means remainder should get 0. Okay. So 1 is the factor of the 12. Okay. Now same number, this 12, you divide by 2. Okay. So when we divide by 2, 2 6 are 12. So the number 2 also divided the number 12 exactly. It means exactly dividing means remainder should get 0. Right? Now divide the same number 12 by 3. Okay. 3 4s are 12. So 3 also divided the number 12 exactly. Okay. Now divide the number 12 by 5. So first we divided by 1. Next we divided by 2. Next we divided by 3. Next divide the number 12 by 4. How many times it is possible? 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now divide this number by 5. 5 2s are 10. What is the remainder here? 2 is the remainder. And same number you divide by 6. Okay. 6 2s are 12. 0 remainder. And same number you divide by 7. 7 1s are 7. 5 is the remainder. Okay. So again 8, 9, 10 like that. Okay. So observe this division. Here this number 12, how many numbers it is divided exactly? See, the number is 12 divided by 1 exactly. Okay. So 1 is the factor of the 12. 1 is the factor of the 12. Factors of 12 we are writing. Okay. So 1, the number 1 is divided this number 12 exactly. We got remainder 0. So 1 is the factor of the 12. And the number 2 also divided the number 12 exactly. So 2 also factor of the 12. And next, the number 3 also divided this number 12 exactly. So 3 also factor of the 12. And the number 4 also divided this number 12 exactly. So 4 also factor of the 12. But here the number 5 is not divided this number 12 exactly. We did not get remainder 0 no. So 5 is not divided. So 5 is not the factor of the 12. And 6 also divided the number 12 exactly. So 6 also factor of the 12. And here 7 is not divided the number 12 exactly. So 7 is not factor. So like this, which numbers dividing exactly that number? Okay. So what number they are dividing the given number exactly? So that numbers are called factors of the given number. Okay. So here factors of the 12 means, so which numbers are divided this number 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And 12 also it will divide the number 12. 12 ones are 12 now. Okay. So the number 1 is dividing by 12. Okay. 2 also divides the number 12. 3 also divides the number 12. 4 also divides the number 12. 6 also divides the number 12. And 12 also divides the number 12. Okay, 12 also divides the number 12. So like this, what numbers dividing exactly the given number? So that numbers are called factors of the given number. So now here what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Have you all understood, children? What are the factors? So let us see one more example. Suppose a number 10 is there. Example, a number 10 is there. First of all, divide this 10 by 1. 1 tens are 10. So number 1 is divided exactly. Now divide by 2. 2 5s are 10. It is also divided exactly. Now divide by 3. 3 3s are 3 3s are 9. 1 is the remainder, not divided exactly. Divide by 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 is the remainder. It is also not divided exactly. Okay. So divide by 5. 5 2s are 10. We got 0 remainder. So like this, what numbers are dividing exactly for the given number, so that numbers are called factors of the 10. Okay. So here what are the factors of 10? The factors of 10. What are the factors of 10? 1 is divided exactly. 2 also divided exactly. 3 is not divided. 4 also not divided. 5 is divided exactly. And also 10. So the numbers 1, 2, 5 and 10 are the factors of the 10. Okay. So like this, a number which divides the given number exactly, so that number is called factor of the given number. Okay. Now let us see how to find the factors. Okay. So listen carefully, children. These finding factors are very important. So let us see how to find the factors. So finding factors. Finding factors. So example. Find the factors of 60. Find the factors of 60. So here asking find the factors of 60. It means, so this number 60 with how many numbers it will divide exactly. So like this we have to find out. Okay. So all of you listen carefully, children. So now we are finding factors of 60. Okay. So to find factors of 60, first of all start with 1. Will 60 divided by 1? Yes, 1 into 60, 60. Right? Now 1 after next what number will come? 2 will come. Is 60 divided by 2? Yes, absolutely. So 2 30s are 60. Now 2 after next take the next number 3. Is 60 divided by 3? Yes, absolutely. 3 20s are 60. Now take the next number 4. 3 after 4. Is 60 divided by 4? Yes. 4 15s are 60. Isn't it? 4 15s are 60. Next take the number 5. Is 60 divided by 5? Yes, absolutely. 5 12s are 60. 12 5s are 16. No? 5 12s are 60. Next 5 after next what number here? 6. Is the number 60 divided by 6? Yes, absolutely. 6 10s are 6. Okay. See, 1 by 1 number we are checking. With 1 by 1 number we are checking. Okay. See, first we checked by 1. Okay. So 60 divides the number 1 divides the number 60 exactly. 2 also will divide. 2 30s are 60. 3 also will divide. 3 20s are 60. 4 also divide. 4 15s are 60. 5 also divides. 5 12s are 60. 5 after next number 6. 6 also divides the number 60. That is 6 10s are 60. 6 after what is next number? 7. Is 7 divides the number 60? Check out once. Is 7 divides the number 60. Once you recall 7 table, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63. But here we have only 60. So this number 60 it will not divide by 7. Isn't it? The number 60 it will not divide by 7. So here 7 is not possible. Now check by 8. Is the number 60 divides by 8? So to check it, once recall the 8 table. 8 1 the 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 9 is 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is 64 we are getting, but here 60 only is there. So 8 also will not divide. Now 9 also will not divide. So next 10. Will the number 60 divides by 10? Yes. 10 6 is 60. So you may get one doubt here. Up to until which number we have to factorize? Okay, all of you children, look at the board, all of you carefully. See, when we are finding like this factors, somewhere we get the reverse product like this. 6 into 10, 10 into 6. Okay, here we got reverse product now. 6 into 10 and 10 into 6. Okay, so until we get the reverse product, we have to continue this process. Okay, so somewhere we get definitely, surely we get, somewhere we get like this reverse product. So until we get reverse product like this, so like this we have to find the factors. Okay, so here we got the reverse product 6 into 10 and 10 into 6. So when we get the reverse product like this, so we have to stop the factorization now. So now we can write easily the factors of 60. Therefore, the factors of 60. Therefore, the factors of 60 are, see, first of all, write this left side numbers. Okay, write this left side number up to down. Okay, so what are they? 1, first number, second number is 2, third number 3, next fourth one 4, next 5, next 6, and next 10 is there. Okay, left side numbers are completed. Now write the right side numbers. See, left side numbers we have written up to down, no? Now right side numbers we have to write down to up. Okay, we should go like this, down to up. So when we write down to up, so first what number is there? 6 is there. But 6 already we have written, no? 6 already we have written. Next number what is there? 10 is there. 10 also we have written already. Again, not necessary to write. So 10 after next what number is there? 12 is there. So write 12. 12 after 15. 15 after 20. 20 after 30. 30 after 60. So these are all the factors of the given number 60. Okay, all these numbers divides the number 60 exactly. So we can say that these all numbers are the factors of the given number 60. Have you all understood, children? So until we get the reverse product like this, we have to continue this process. Okay, let us see one more example, children. Let us see one more example. Suppose you take a number, suppose 30 is there. Okay, now we are finding the factors of 30. First of all, check with 1. 1 into 30 is equal to 30. Next, check with 2 table. Yes, possible. 2 15s are 30. Next, check with 3 table. 3 10s are 30. Okay. Next, check with 4 table. Will the number divides by 4? Recall once 4 table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 4 6s are 24, and 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. We are getting 32, but here we have only 30. So 4 is not possible. 4 will not divide. Okay. Next 5. 5 will divide. 5 6 are 30. Okay. So 5 after what is next number? 6. So 6 also divides. 6 5s are 30. See children, now here we got the reverse product. 5 into 6 and 6 into 5. We got reverse product now, 5 into 6 and 6 into 5. So stop the process, stop the factorization. It means every time we have, until we get the like this reverse product, we have to continue this process. Okay. Now stop our factorization. Now we can write the factors of 30. Therefore, the factors of 30 are, what are the factors of 30? So what is the procedure to write the factors? First of all, left side numbers we have to write up to down. So up to what number is there? First number is 1, second number 2, third number 3, and the next number is 5, and next 6. So left side numbers are completed. Now right side numbers, down to up should go. Okay, you should write from down to up like this. Okay. So down first number is, what is the first number? 5. But 5 already we have written. Next 5 after 6 is there. 6 also we have written already. Should not write again and again. Next 6 after 10 is there. So write 10. 10 after 15 is there. So write 15. 15 after 30 is there. 30. It means, so these are all the factors of the given number 30. Okay. So this is the way of finding factors, children. So you might have understood very well. Once observe the factors, see, if we observe these 2 examples, see here, if we observe the factors of 60, see, 1 is there and 60 also is there. Okay, 1 is dividing the number 60 and the same number 60 also dividing by 60. Okay, and observe the second example. See here also 1 is dividing the number 30 and the same number 30 also dividing by the number 30. It means for every number, the common factors 1 and itself. So what will come the common factors? 1 and itself. So for every number, 1 is the factor and also the same number also factor. Okay. So this 2 you have to remember, children. For every number, 1 is a factor and the same number also factor, right? So this is the way of finding factors, children. So now let us see the next topic. Here see, in this given table, page number 32, the number is given, factors are given. So 12, the number is 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So if we check like this also, we can check like this also. 1 will divide 12. 1 12 are 12. 2 will divide 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 will divide 12. 3 4 are 12. 4 also will divide 12. 4 3 are 12. 6 also will divide. 6 2 are 12. 12 also will divide. 12 1s are 12. Okay. So here the number is given, the factors are given. So suppose if you take this number 24, however, 1 will divide every number. So 1 into 24, 24. If we take 2, 2 12 are 24. If we take 3, 3 8s are 24. If we take 4, 4 6 are 24. If we take 6, 6 8s are 24. If we take 8, if we take 6, 6 4s are 24. If we take 8 3s are 24. If we take 12, 12 2s are 24. If we take 24, 24 1s are 24. So like this, for every number, factor will come. So here some observations are given. So all of you see carefully. What is given here? 1 is the factor of every number and is the smallest of all factors. Already just now we have discussed, for every number 1 is the factor, and also this 1 is smallest factor of the all the factors. Okay, remember carefully. For every number 1 is the factor. Compulsory 1 is the factor, and that 1 is the smallest factor of the all the factors. Okay. Next, second point, see, every number is a factor of itself and is the greatest. Just now we have discussed the two examples 60 and 30. For the number 60, 60 also factor. For the number 30, 30 also factor. Why? Because it will divide the number 30, 31 to 30. So for every number, factor of every number is a factor of itself and is the greatest of the its factors. So every number have the factor itself, and that particular number is greatest factor of the all the given factors. Suppose see here the number 30 is there. So here 30 is the factor of itself, and this is the greatest factor of the all the factors. Okay, and also if we observe the first example 60, okay, see here 60 is the factor of itself, and this number 60 is the greatest factor of all these factors. So like that, every number have factor itself, and that particular number is greatest factor of the all factors. Okay, and see the third point, every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. See, if we observe the every factor, it is less than or equal to the given number. Okay, suppose see, if we observe the factors of 60, okay, see all the factors of 60 are less than 60 except 60. It means all the factors of a particular number are less than or equal to that given particular number. Okay, and the next point is number of factors of a given number are countable. Number of factors of a given number are countable. It means there is possibility to count the factors. Suppose say we found here the factors of 60. We can count these factors now easily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12. Okay, we can count these factors very easily, right? So we can say that, so every number factors, they can countable, right children? Now, so the next topic is prime and composite numbers. Prime and composite number. What is prime number and what is composite number? Okay. So first of all, prime number. Prime number is nothing but a number have only two factors. It is called prime number. A number have only two factors. That is, the two factors will be 1 and itself. Okay, so that number is called prime number. Okay, so prime number, first one, prime number. For the prime number, what is the condition? Only two factors. Only two factors. Only two factors should be. So what are the two factors? 1 and itself. It means if a number have only two factors, that two factors are 1 and itself. So that number is called prime number. Okay. For example, 3 is there. The number 3 is there. What are the factors of 3? We can factorize 1 into 3 or 3 into 1. So here, what are the factors of 3? Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors are 1 and 3. Can we find other factors? Can we get the other factors for this number 3? No. So 3 is called prime number. So if you take the number 5, so 5 also have only two factors. One is 1 into 5 and other is 5 into 1. Okay. So what are the factors of 5? Therefore, the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. It means this number 5 have only two factors. They are 1 and itself. The number 1 is there and itself means same number 5. Here also the number 3 have factors 1 and itself. Okay. Like this, if a number have only two factors, that is 1 and itself, so such number is called prime number. Okay. So now take one more number 2. Okay, take one more number 2. 2 also have only two factors, 1 into 2 and 2 into 1. So what are the factors of 2? 1 and 2 only, 1 and itself. So 2 also prime number. Okay. Suppose if you take the number 9, how many factors will come? 1 into 9, 2 not possible. 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. Again 9 1s are 9. Here see, 9, the number 9 have three factors, 1, 3 and 9. So it is not prime number. Why? Because according to definition of prime number, a number should have only two factors. The two factors also 1 and itself. If a number have only two factors, that is 1 and itself, that number is called prime number. So here the number 3 have only two factors, 1 and itself, so 3 is the prime number. And the number 5, if you observe the number 5, so the number 5 have factors 1 and itself, so 5 also prime number. And if we observe the number 2, this number 2 also have the only two factors, that is 1 and 2, so 2 is the prime number. But if we observe the number 9, it have 1 and itself, and also other factors also is there. It means more than two factors are there here. So 9 is not the prime number. So like this, if a number have only two factors, they are 1 and itself, it is called a prime number. Okay. So this is the concept about prime numbers. Now next one is composite number. Next one is composite number. Composite number. Composite number means a number have more than two factors. Okay. If a number have more than two factors, if a number have more than two factors, so such number is called composite number. If a number have more than two factors, so such number is called composite number. Suppose, example, 12 is there. Example, 12 is there. So what are the factors of 12? 1 into 12, 12. 2 into 6, 12. 2 6 are 12. And 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. See here we got reverse product. So we have to stop this process, factorization. Now find the factors of 12. Factors of 12. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, and down numbers. 3 is there first number, 3 already written. 4 also is there, 4 also written. 4 after next 6 is there, and 12 is there. So these are the factors of 12. It means here, how many factors are there for this number 12? More than 2 factors are there? No. More than 2 factors are there. So like this, if a number have more than 2 factors, so that number is called composite number. Did you understand? If a number have more than 2 factors, so such number is called composite number. Okay, so this is the difference between prime and composite number, children. Prime number means it should have only 2 factors, one and itself. But composite number means should have more than 2 factors. Okay, if a number have more than 2 factors, it is called composite number, right? So again we have 2 more topics, children. So that 2 more topics we will discuss in the next class. So first of all, your homework is try this. All of you observe these questions. What is the smallest prime number? Okay, already you know what are the prime numbers. So in that smallest prime number you have to write. And what is the smallest composite number? Already you understood what are the composite numbers. In that you write smallest composite number. And what is the smallest odd composite number? Should write odd number and it should be, and it is composite number. Okay. So give 5 odd and 5 even composite numbers. You should give examples 5 odd composite numbers and 5 even composite numbers. And fifth one is one prime or composite